Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here. Well, I done turned my back again and them minions took over, and they already took the timing chain cover and oil filter adapter off that big old Ford. But I'm kidding, I lost a bunch of footage, that's what happened. So I'm just going to have to give you a little recap. We'll start it with this oil filter adapter. You kind of seen in the other videos, it kind of sticks on there and sticks the oil filter out there kind of like this. It looks like it's just there on there to adapt it out so you can easily get to, which it also is. But also what it is it's your connections here for an external oil cooler. So if you're running a little hot, if you want to bring your temperature down on your oil, you can hook and go to the wrecking yard, or some trucks, 3/4 ton, any truck with a PTO transmission has got this, and they've got the oil cooler up on the front, in front of the radiator. They do that because, well, if you're just sitting and idle and running the PTO, power takeoff for, you know, running equipment or, you know, whatever your PTO is set up for, it's cooling the oil, the engine oil, as it's just sitting there running at an RPM. So on the bigger trucks and stuff, sometimes you find them on like I know Chevys, I know the 3/4 ton Chevys, the big heavier ones, they've all got an external oil cooler. The 1 tons have all got an external oil cooler. So if you find those in the junkyard and you happen to have one of these on your truck, on your Ford, you tap it in right here. You undo these plugs and then you run your oil lines through here. You know, this is the inside, you know, oil coming in. This is oil going out. So this is pressure out and this is coming back in. So it cools the oil, and then cooler oil keeps a higher viscosity. So it lubricates a little better. So little food for thought. If you want to run a little colder on your oil temperature, look for one of these adapters, and you can plumb them right in, no sweat. They're real simple. And look for any trucks, you know, big 3/4, 1 ton pickup trucks, even the bigger ones, for that oil filter that's up, or oil cooler that's up in front of the radiator. They look just like a transmission cooler. In fact, they really are. That's all they are. It's just an oil cooler. So a tranny cooler and an oil cooler, same thing. Just whatever you plumb them into to, you know, cool the oil. That's what they do. So, little tip out there for you. This is the Ford one. The Chevy one looks pretty much almost identical to it, but they are different. Anyway, if you want to keep your oil cool, go out there and check them out. In the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot. We'll catch you on the next one when I show you the timing set and everything. We'll catch you on the next one.